Hey guys, so it's Funjammer AJ here, and guess what? I am back. I know that it's been so long. It's been like over a year. Well, maybe not over a year, but it's been like a lot of months ever since I've made an Animal Jam video because I just decided that I would take a break. But now I'm back and back at it again with the white vans because I'm gonna start making videos again. Also, I just got a membership, a 6-month membership, and I'm really happy because I used to be a non-member because my year membership expired. So yeah, let's go ahead and go into my account and fix up all my animals, fix up my den and everything. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, let's do this. Skeet. Alright guys, what the heck? Where's my beautiful membership? Hurry up. Oh yes. Okay, click to get your gift. Ooh, I got a goat. I mean, like, I already have a goat, but thank you. Nice. Ooh, membership has been added to your account. Congratulations. Thank you for congratulating me. I appreciate that. Click to get your gift. 9,000 gems. 100 diamonds. Fancy goat tail. Fancy hooves, or hooves, whatever it's called. Woven blanket. Woven scarf. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so many gifts. Legendary goat horns. Oh my goodness, what the heck? Regal Winter Palace Den. Oh, is that different from the normal Winter Palace? Because I have the normal Winter Palace, but I don't have the Regal one. Thank you. A goat sofa. A goat chair. A goat table. A goat lamp. A goat archway. A hanging goat lantern. Well, I didn't expect to get all this goat stuff. This is weird. Okay, next gift. Goat hoof rug. Goat fountain. Goat streamer. Goat beanbag. Oh my gosh, there's so much goat stuff. Goat pasture window. Goat wall decal. You've earned a new pet. Ooh, I wonder what this is. Oh my gosh, a free goat? That's nice. Okay, what should we color our goat as? Cause like, hold on, let me fix this. Okay, there we go. What should we color our goat as? I like the blue and the purple is nice. That looks really nice. Okay. So I like those eyes, and then let's change up the hair. That looks cute. I like those ears. They're really small and little and adorable. I kind of like these horns for some reason, but I mean, like, actually no, those horns are better. Okay, now let's give it a name. Definitely not Square Girl. How about Squishy Goat? That's a good name. Okay, adopt this pet. There we go. Alright guys, so we just adopted this pet. It was adopted Thursday, November 22nd, 2018. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, happy Thanksgiving. Just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. So yeet. Personality, silly. Favorite toy, tree stump fort. My favorite food, grasses. So yeet guys, that's nice. And look, it says you're a member. Congratulations, your Animal Jam membership comes packed with tons of awesome features. Nice. Become every animal, adopt adorable pets, win diamonds every day, get the rarest items, sapphires and gifts on Play Wild, the fun mobile game. Yeet. Oh my gosh, I missed the member daily spin so much. I'm so glad to have it back. Okay, let's spin. There you go. Okay. We got 2 diamonds. That's so lit. Alright, guys. Now we're a member again. That is amazing. I'm so glad to be able to wear all of my items now. So, yeah, that's good. Wait a second. Are all these items that I'm getting, like, oh, they're diamond shop? Are they actually in the diamond shop, though? No! I didn't want to go there. I wanted to... Dang it. Okay, are they actually in the diamond shop? I'm so confused. If they are, I'm gonna be angry. Because, yeah. Oh my gosh, what kind of spike collars are those? Those are weird. Ugh. Blackout donut spike collar. Toxic lava spike collar. Magenta ancient spike collar. That's kind of cool, but I mean, like, I don't feel like buying them right now. So yeah. Were there any new dens while I took my big break? Okay, I guess not. But maybe, I don't know. Who knows? So yeet. Okay, guys. Oh my god. Let's go to my den. Let's switch it up a little bit because yeah. Let's check out this Regal Winter Palace or something like that. Whatever it's called. Ooh, this looks so nice. I actually really like this. It's like gold. It looks so cute. So I'm gonna be decorating this later. But for now, I wanna try to fix up some of my animals because yeah. I don't know which animal to use. How about we use Princess Snowy Joy? That's cute. Let's put on the adventure level because, like, I think that this animal has an adventure level. Yeah, okay. It has an adventure level 5. And I kind of like how it looks on the animal. It looks nice, the adventure level thing. Okay, let's make a look with this wolf. I mean, Arctic wolf. I honestly don't know how to make good looks anymore since I haven't been on here in like so long. Okay, I'm gonna make a classic look. A flower crown with where the heck is, oh, this, of course. And then this. Oh, you can't have both? Oh, well then I'd rather have this. And then, where's my black long spike? Where the heck is it? Okay. Hurry up. Oh my god, it's so laggy. Oh, stop lagging. Okay, where the heck is it? Okay, there we go. So I got my black long spike. Actually, I think that my white gemality bow would go better with this. Where is it? There we go. There we go. I look so cute. And now we have to put something on our feet, of course. You know what would be cool? Like if I had black gemality socks, that'd be so cool. Oh yes. Okay, there we go. Elf bracelets or leg armor. Elf bracelets, leg armor. Elf bracelets, leg armor. I don't know. Well, to be honest, I like the leg armor better because I don't know. That's just me. What if there's something that we could put on the tail that would look nice? No. Well, actually, I might consider that. No. Yeah, I kind of like that. Okay, there we go. Now we have our beautiful look, and I really like it. It's so nice. Okay. So as you can see, we are a snowflake Arctic wolf, and we are looking very fancy right now, as you can see. And I'm really enjoying this beautiful outfit here. So, yes. Alright, what else could we do that now that we're a member? Oh yeah, we can gift people, remember? Oh my gosh, I have so many AJHQ cards since I was gone for so long. Oh my god, wow. That's insane. Buddy request? Okay. I'll just go ahead and accept all these buddy requests that I haven't accepted in so long. I'm so sorry, guys, that I haven't been accepting buddy requests, but now I am accepting buddy requests. And yeet. Are there any more buddy requests? Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have so many buddy requests right now. Oof. Okay, there you go. Oh yeah, I locked up my Jamagrams, so eat. Okay, guys. What else is there that we could do? Oh yeah, we could use all of our member den items. That's always lit. Oh yeah. I bought this yesterday. It's not member, but yeah, it looks cool though. Ooh, goat sofa, goat chair. Okay, I know this video is getting like super duper boring, but I mean, like, now let's buy a ton of like this Thanksgiving stuff, even though I could basically only use it for like a day. It doesn't matter. I'm still buying all this because it looks adorable. Okay, so yeet. Oh my god, what the heck was it? Oh. I'm just like blowing all my money. Okay. I think that's all I really need for now. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and switch our den. I'll come back to this den later. But yeah, what would be a good Thanksgiving den? Oh, how about Cosmos Treehouse? That's cute. Ooh. Okay. Well, yeah, guys, that's gonna be all for this video. I hope y'all. Oh my god, I was trying to dance. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video, and I hope that y'all really enjoyed this. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel now that I'm gonna be posting more again. So yeet. Yeah, guys, bye.